Hi friends, welcome to OCI Fundamentals for Beginners series. So in the last session we have set up a budget in OCI. Now I will show you how to check what all services are costing you money. For that, go to cost analysis section under the cost management and you will get an interactive reporting page like this. Okay, here different filter options are provided. For example, you can select the type of report like cost by service or cost by compartment, like this compartments like this. These options, a type of reports you can choose from here. Then you can select the start and end date, and then the granularity, and then the show option is also there to select between the cost and the usage reports. Then after selecting this, you will be able to see how much use depends upon the service basis use we are getting. Okay, so but anyway, here now we will not be able to see any reports as we have not yet started using any resources yet. We have just signed up the account. I just want to show you that there is this provision in OCI where we can see what all services are costing the money. Okay, we can visit this section later after starting doing the lab, and there might be some usage charges that will show up here. Okay friends, we can see in the next session.